Update December 8, 2019, purchased second keyboard for home. So now I have one in the office and this one I will use at home. Awesome keyboard, really like it. Mouse for me is not comfortable, so I am using different one, but keyboard is really nice. Like the feel and comfort and price. Exclamation mark equals 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 equals. I am not a gamer, but love mechanical keyboards for typing commands in command line, composing documents for client and stuff like that. This keyboard has exceeded my expectations. Keys have good feel, really easy to type, ergonomics are okay. I don't care about different lighting modes, I just switch to red solid color which is very pleasant to my eyes. Actually I am using this keyboard for this review smile, so for $38, this keyboard is awesome as daily rider for office work. The mouse, I did not like it. To me it feels light and not comfortable. I have different mouse which I use. So this one I will keep it as spare in case of emergency. So, I got tired of using my generic Dell keyboard with a busted escape key that required a paperclip or a pencil tip every time I wanted to hit escape, which turns out to be surprisingly often. I decided I wanted to replace it, but I didn't want to spend $150 on a gaming keyboard. And then I came across the Havit mechanical keyboard. And it was about the same price as my old generic Dell keyboard and came with a mouse, too. I figured I was probably going to be less than impressed with it, but it's a solid keyboard, with super clicky mechanical keys like the olden days and a bunch of options for colorful scrolling. It looks beau. It works great. Buy this keyboard. Click link in description for more reviews.